From the home screen, tap FaceTime. Tap the plus icon. Enter the name of the contact you wish to call and then tap their name. You can make a video or audio call. In this example, we will select video. When the contact answers the call, their video will be displayed and your video will be shown in the thumbnail. To view the call controls, tap the screen. Tap the menu icon. To switch to the rear-facing camera, tap flip. Tap the mute icon to mute the call. Tap the speaker icon to use the speakerphone. Swipe the controls downwards to hide them. To add an emoji filter, tap the filter icon. Tap the emoji icon. Swipe left to scroll to the emoji you wish to use. Tap the X icon to finish using the emoji. Tap the end call icon to finish the FaceTime call. Thanks for watching this video. If you like it, please subscribe our channel.